Hey guys, today I'm going to show everyone how to get into their push portal by tomorrow, Monday, April 6th. Everyone in senior high and most of the people in junior high as well will have workouts prescribed to them, and everyone should be in the portal by tomorrow morning when you get up and get ready for your workout. For the students who have been in the portal in the past, in the Duckett Center, you'll have the same email and password associated with your account. Otherwise, you'll have the email that your coach provided for me. If you're not part of a team at the school, you have your iLearn email as the email that you sign in with. Again, if you're new to the push portal, your password is going to be Edge 2020, all lowercase letters. And if you were previously in the portal, you'll have the same password you had previously used. So when you get into the Push app, it'll prompt you to connect with a push band, but obviously none of us are using push bands at this point. We're just using this as a platform for receiving our workouts. You'll get your password typed in there with your email, and it always takes a while the first time you sign in to get everything synced up. And I'll show you what the steps are once you get in there. It's really straightforward. So once you get in, you're going to click on the top left corner, the three lines in the top left corner, and you've got this little menu that comes down. So the third one down is timeline, and in the timeline, you're going to find all your workouts. And so I put just 4 in my account so we could see what it looks like. Yours will go all the way down. You'll have 3 or 4 weeks of workouts in here when you're all set up, and so they'll drop down, whatever the day is. So tomorrow, April 6th, you guys will click on the workout that's prescribed to you, and once you get in there, everything's laid out. So you've got your warm-up section, you've got your resistance work on resistance days, and then a little cool down section. All of the exercises in the resistance day have videos attached to them, and then all of the warm-up and cool-down exercises have video links that you can copy and paste, but this system and most other systems don't allow you just to click on the link. I'll show you how you get to the videos here in a second. So when you get into the workout, this is a warm-up example. So you can copy and paste that link to find out what the overhead hip hinge with knee hug is, for example, if you don't know what it is. And if you do know what it is, obviously you carry it out. Once you get into the resistance section, so when you get into the resistance section, you click on the exercise, that little eye on the right-hand side, the info side. You'll be able to click on that, and a video, you'll be able to get a video of whatever the exercise is, and sometimes there's some coaches' notes there as well. One other thing that's important to note is that when you're done your exercise, when you're done doing each set, you want to click on that circle on the left-hand side of the screen beside the sets, reps, and load. Obviously, you don't need to put your load in. If you're using a heavy pack, you can just use your heavy pack and continue to increase the weight of your heavy pack as you go along to make it more challenging. But we want to mark it as done, and then at the end of the workout, you'll have the ability to say finish workout. And so you want to click on that. We're on the back end, we're going to be looking at things. The coaches will be looking at it to see if everyone's doing their workout. So make sure you record when you've completed your workout. And it's as easy as that. So that's what it looks like to get into the push portal. Inevitably tomorrow, for sure, April 6th, there will be questions about emails and passwords and other things. Just fire away. Send me emails, rmccain@edgeschool.com, rmccain@edgeschool.com. I'll be around. Shoot me a note. I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Hopefully we can get everyone in here tomorrow, and you guys can get started with your workouts. Chat soon.